Welcome to Infinity Capital, everyone. So we are going to do a quick analysis on the Bank Nifty and some banks that look ripe for a breakout. So I did post a video on Bank Nifty and Nifty last week, wherein I spoke in detail about if what sort of rally may happen in Bank Nifty. So let's quickly analyze all the Bank Nifty participants. So we'll just go to Bank Nifty index quickly. So as you will notice that, the index is basically consolidating in this range. Bank Nifty has been consolidating in this range, and the chances of it breaking out is pretty high. There, so basically the range is also getting smaller. Okay, the range is also, if you see closely, this trading range is getting smaller. So the chances of a breakout is very high in Bank Nifty and the Bank Nifty stocks. So from a technical point of view, Bank Nifty is resting around the 50-day moving average, which is rising upwards. The 200-day moving average is rising upwards. So in my opinion, we haven't had a fresh rally in Bank Nifty in a very long time. So Nifty, if you'll notice, I will just put the chart of Nifty over here for comparison. So if you look at Nifty, Nifty has been outperforming Bank Nifty since mid-April. If you, this chart is basically the chart since, just a second guys. So this chart is since 16th of Feb. So if you see since 16th of Feb, Nifty, this orange line is the Nifty chart. So the Bank Nifty is underperforming the Nifty. Nifty has been, very clearly outperforming Bank Nifty. So in my assumption, you can take a calculated bet that there is a rally which is overdue in the Bank Nifty index, right? So let's quickly look at some of the Bank Nifty stocks. We'll do a quick check on the fundamentals and and see what's happening. So we'll merge the technical and the fundamental, and we'll try and figure out what trades can be made. So if you see Axis Bank has not gone anywhere since pretty much 1st Feb 2021. So pretty much from the start of the year, if we consider start of the year, the stock is probably up around 5% or so, right? And if we consider from Feb, the stock has not gone anywhere. However, if you notice what is happening, the 50-day moving average is trending upwards, the 200-day moving average is trending upwards. And we have started seeing this movement. So if you look at the move, the trend is clearly up. So anybody who trades Nifty, Bank Nifty and stocks on a regular basis will understand that the trend is up and it is a buy on pullback. So every time the stock pulls back, it is a buy. Another interesting thing that you need to watch out for is, if you see in Axis Bank, it fell on relatively lower volume. This fall was on volume less than the 50-day moving average. This white line is the 50-day moving average. So when it was correcting, the volume was relatively lower, and then when it started going up, the volume picked up. Post that, the volume has gone extremely low. When you switch to weekly chart, you see over here, the volume has gone extremely low. Look at this volume. If we look at the volumes over here, this volume is lowest since past 1 year. Now, in my 13-14 years of experience of trading, this sort of setup calls for a rally in the stock. So basically there is no supply coming into the stock, and the stock breaking out from here is pretty high, right? So Axis Bank, I'll be basically, if you want to trade, you should be just looking to buy on pullbacks or just buy at these levels, and every time it pulls back, you buy more. Or if you want to wait and do a pullback trade, so if the stock comes down a little bit, you buy. So what sort of move can we expect in Axis? See, these are extremely large cap companies. It's a 2,30,000 crore market cap stock. So we can expect around 20-25%, up move in these sort of stocks. So 20-25% is pretty decent. We'll just quickly look at the financials. If you see the profitability in Axis Bank, it has come at the highest point since the past 4 or 5 years. As compared to last year, the profits are up by more than 250%, right? If you do a quick PE analysis, the stock is trading at a median PE of 5 years, right? And if we merge that with the technical analysis, Axis Bank looks ripe for a explosive breakout in the coming few weeks. Okay, let's look at HDFC Bank. So HDFC Bank, similar stuff, right? The stock has been basically going sideways and the volume has been going down. If you look at the weekly chart, same thing, just like Axis Bank, the volume is extremely low. So chances of a breakout from here is very high. Basically, this denotes that the supply is basically going down in the stock. Less number of sellers are there in the stock. 200 days moving upwards, 50 days also started trending upwards, so that's also another good sign, right? And from the fundamental point of view, if you look at HDFC Bank, even they have recorded decent profits. Their profits are up by around 4,000 crores or so. Their sales are also up, right? And if we do a PE analysis, it's trading below the median PE. The median PE is 28 and it's trading at a PE of 26, right? So same thing, we can expect at least 18-20% uptick in HDFC Bank. Next bank that I like is ICICI Bank, and if you see, ICICI Bank is already breaking out. So the stock was basically consolidating in this zone, and now it is trying to break out. The volume has gone extremely low, which denotes that the supply is going down. Less sellers, chances of a breakout is very high. All right. If we look on our left, 50 days trending upwards, 200 days trending upwards, right? So this calls for a very explosive up move. If you see this now, the stock has already broken out on extremely high volume. So ICICI Bank is a buy on pullback, buy at these levels, buy on pullback, looking at least an 18 to 20% rally in ICICI Bank as well. My last top pick from the banking sector is State Bank of India. So State Bank of India, same thing. If you noticed, State Bank of India did a great rally. It went up by 35%. Now it is consolidating in the short range. It has been consolidating within this 9 to 10% price range, and notice the volume, guys. So if you notice, the setup is the same in all the banking stocks. Volume is going down, volume is diminishing. And if we compare the volume over here, this is the lowest volume as compared to the past 2-3 years, right? So this goes to show that supply is not coming into the stock, right? And the chances of an upside is very high. So State Bank as well, if we come and check the fundamentals for State Bank profit and loss is higher. It's about 3,000 crores higher as compared to last year, right? And if we see, State Bank has posted highest profits in its history ever, 22,400 crores, highest profits in the history of State Bank. Sales are also quite high. So this let's look at the PE. So the median PE is 23.5. Stock is trading at around 17 or so. So these are my top picks from the banking segment, wherein a rally can come anytime. If we saw that ICICI Bank is already breaking out. ICICI Bank is already breaking out, right? And my last pick is going to be Kotak Bank. So Kotak Bank basically is just consolidating within this range. This is the range, 16-17%. And now if you notice, in Kotak Bank, it has just gone, it is just trading in this very short range. The stock has been trading in this 8% range since the past many weeks. Very high chance of an explosive breakout from here, right? And if you look at the moving averages, the 200 days trending upwards, the 50 days trending sideways now. It was trending downwards, but it is trending sideways now because the stock has gone sideways. Very high chance of an explosive breakout in Kotak also from here on. Let's look at the financials for Kotak. So Kotak, if you see profit and loss, the Kotak has posted 1400 crores of profit, higher than previous year. Okay, sales are down a tad bit, but profits have come higher, right? And on a PE front, the stock's median PE is around 38. That's the 5-year median PE of 38. Stock is trading at a PE of 34.7, 34, 35. So this is my short analysis on the Bank Nifty. Guys, I'm expecting an explosive rally in these stocks: Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank, and SBI Bank. These are my favorite stocks that I'm expecting a huge rally in these stocks in the coming weeks, at least an 80 to 25% rally in these stocks. Quick disclaimer, guys, this is not a buy sell recommendation. It's an educational video. Thanks a lot for watching.